Maybe not to go back forward.
Yeah.
We would start from this.
Was tonight and Zaporizhzhia was destroyed.
Now the cases which we investigate
This is where it's unbelievable, isn't it? And it's beautiful again. So most of these war crimes, these horrible crimes, will be tried by Ukrainian judges in Ukraine, and it's right that that happens. One of the reasons is that because this war is very sadly still continuing, we hope that the actions of Procurator Kostin will immediately have an effect on the behaviour of Russian troops. We don't know if that is the case, but we hope that is the case. And in any event, we want to make sure that we see justice done for the people who were buried in the grave just outside. It's really important. I am quite sure as well that there will come in the future a time when we have to have an international moment of accountability for the more senior Russian leadership. Quite what that looks like we're going to be talking about in our very important conference in Lviv tomorrow. Well, we have to do the work now. The evidence is literally outside and has been gathered properly. I've very sadly seen the bones from some of the people who were buried outside. I've seen them in a laboratory in The Hague some months ago now. So it's right that we do that work. We must do that work to preserve the evidence so that when it comes, these trials can be as effective as they possibly can.
The International Criminal Court is the venue where highest political and military leadership can be brought to justice on international level. Third element of our system is, of course, international tribunal for the crime of aggression. Once again, for the highest military and political leadership of Russian Federation. Because if aggression would not have been occurred, then there would be no 70,000 war crimes committed in Ukraine. That's why it's extremely important to set up these tribunals. And you will see that the work of all international judicial institutions, it will be much more fast than it was before in history. And this is a unique moment of consolidation, of unity, not only of our prosecutors, investigators, and all Ukrainians, but also all of our international friends. War crimes committed in Kharkiv and Kherson, they were committed by the other military units.
Yes, by different.